Experiencing issues with your Coleman Mach air conditioner? A quick reset can often resolve common problems and restore normal operation. First, turn off the air conditioner using the thermostat control. Locate the system switch and turn it to the off position. Next, locate your RV's circuit breaker panel. Find the circuit breaker that's connected to your air conditioning unit. Switch off the breaker connected to the AC unit by flipping it to the off position. Keep the breaker in the off position for at least 1 minute. This waiting period allows the system to fully reset and clear any temporary glitches. After waiting, restore power by flipping the circuit breaker back to the on position. Then return to your thermostat and turn it back on. The reset is now complete. This process can clear temporary glitches and restore normal operation to your Coleman Mach air conditioner. If problems persist after this reset, you may need to consider a circuit board reset. When a thermostat reset doesn't solve your Coleman Mach air conditioner issues, several common problems and maintenance tasks can restore optimal performance. The most common issue is dirty air filters. These should be cleaned or replaced every 2 weeks to ensure proper airflow and prevent system strain. Inspect all wiring connections at both the AC unit and thermostat. Loose connections can cause intermittent operation and should be tightened securely. Clean the evaporator and condenser coils at least once a year using a soft brush or compressed air. Dirty coils reduce cooling efficiency significantly. Ensure adequate power supply from shore power or generator. Check for tripped circuit breakers and blown fuses, which are common causes of AC failure. For ice buildup issues, turn off the air conditioner immediately and allow the coils to thaw completely before restarting. This prevents damage to the system. Regular maintenance following these troubleshooting steps will significantly improve your Coleman Mach air conditioner's performance and longevity. If issues persist after these checks, consult a qualified technician for professional diagnosis.